If you're just joining us now, why? Why now? It's time for our mid-show recap. Got shouted out the most? Let's look at the numbers. All right, cast and crew are leading the way with 11 mentions. Moms are holding strong with 3 shout-outs. God, creator of the universe, 0 mentions. No surprise in this godless town.
Everything's gone of this home. This is his home here, not touched. I don't think what's so incredible about it. Look, he has his Jesus and his Virgin Mary.
I am the Alpha and the Omega, the first and the last.